Okay, after fixing the pump, more problems. There was water leaking from the top of the valves. Was coming solenoids, and wasn't much, but was just dribbling. So I went and pulled them apart. This one, the top one, just unscrews from the back, and then you press the button, and then pull out the blue tube, take it out with. And I pulled this one already apart, and that's the O-rings inside. It's all brittle as a buggery. I found the replacement here. That's a Viton one, should do a little bit better. It's pretty simple. This is just unscrews. Then the center comes out. And then obviously that's just that's normal washer, like for gardening hose, I suppose. The plastic bit here, it's pretty hard with one hand, but you just gently wait on. I'll just put this maybe there. Try to support it with this, hopefully it will stay. Maybe not. Use the old pump. And all you do, you just gently grab this plastic, and it just and comes out, and inside there's the O-ring inside the hole. That's where the tube goes. It was this broken O-ring. I just took it out. Okay, I'm gonna replace with the new ones. Happen to have them by sheer luck in my kit, and they just go inside. I'm going to put a little bit of petroleum jelly, so because you're going to need to squeeze them to put them inside, and just pop in that plastic sleeve bag in, and then take another video when it's done. Okay.